For decades, the hiring process depended entirely on a piece of paper and the hope that the claims written on it were actually true. But a static resume doesn't show the quality of a fiber installation or the punctuality of a field agent. It is a list of words, not proof of capability. KaziPass changes this by building a skill wallet directly inside WhatsApp, where a worker's history is verified by evidence rather than claims. By turning day-to-day tasks into a digital passport, the risk of hiring a stranger disappears. You hire and pay based on a living record of performance. To start, a worker opens the KaziPass menu on WhatsApp and selects the Upload Evidence option to begin building their profile. The system always requires specific visual proof. For a repair technician, that means taking a before photo of the damage site and an after photo of the fix. A selfie doesn't count. The system requires clear images of the physical task to confirm the work was actually performed. Once sent, the photo is geotagged for location accuracy and added to the worker's permanent digital record as a verified asset. The result is immediate. The internal status marker flips from pending to verified, signaling that the evidence has been logged. Routinely gathering this physical proof transforms temporary labor into a documented career history. Every job completed becomes part of a searchable track record. Along with capturing past work, workers use KaziPass Academy to strengthen their professional standing through structured learning. Directly in the chat, workers can complete modules in customer service, safety, or sector-specific skills like solar installation or retail readiness. Completing these modules is vital. It signals to an employer the worker has the readiness and conduct required for the role. Passing an assessment triggers an immediate score update. This often moves the worker from a bronze to a silver or gold tier, increasing their visibility. These modules turn personal effort into a visible credential that reduces employer uncertainty and helps secure future work. Most employers currently hire by sorting through a messy pile of random WhatsApp messages, unverified CVs, and referrals. KaziPass organizes this by providing a curated shortlist. Employers use account credits to unlock workers with proven histories and verified skills. This dashboard highlights the details that matter: specific work samples, academy badges, and past job completion rates. Hiring through unverified claims is a gamble that often leads to inconsistent results and lost time. Moving to a data-driven shortlist makes hiring a structured decision rather than a guess. The final step is KaziPass Pay Lite, the layer that links the agreed job to a verifiable payment record. The process is simple. The employer creates a job pay record and funds the wallet. The worker accepts, starting the gig. Once the task is finished and confirmed, the system releases the payout to the worker. Paying in cash off the platform leaves no trace. It prevents the worker from building their history and leaves the employer with no formal record of the transaction. Keeping the payment in the system generates a receipt for the employer and a permanent work history entry for the worker. This record feeds back into the worker's trust score, which further increases their ranking for the next job request. In this system, the payment record is the verifiable confirmation of a contract successfully completed. This creates a cycle that builds over time. Learn, prove, work, earn, and build trust. Workers stop relying on a single piece of paper and start wielding a passport powered by their actual achievements. What begins as a simple, everyday handshake between employer and worker is now backed by a verified digital network of proof. Building this passport through real work and verified learning is what ultimately establishes a worker's professional future.